Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is 7th question of its exercise 5.1. So the question says that can two angles be supplementary if both of them are acute, obtuse and right? So first, acute. So acute angle means less than 90. So the sum of two acute angle is less than 180. So it cannot be supplementary angles. So आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा no, because sum of two acute angles is less than 180 degree. Second, obtuse angle. Obtuse angles means more than 90 and less than 180. So the sum of two obtuse angles is always be greater than 180. So two sum of two obtuse angle is not a supplementary angle. So इसका आंसर भी हो जाएगा हमारे पास no, because sum of two obtuse angle is greater than 180 degree. Third, right angle. Right angle means 90 degree though. So sum of two right angles हो जाएगा हमारे पास 90 plus 90 is equal to 180, and supplementary angles is when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, then they're known as supplementary to each other. So right angles means 90 plus 90 is equal to 180. So ये हमारे पास supplementary angle हो जाएगा. So इसका आंसर हो जाएगा yes. So acute and obtuse के लिए supplementary angles हो जाएंगे no, and for right angles, so the sum of two right angles is a pair of supplementary angle. Thank you.